Oh, see, there's a bandage.
What are you trying to do?
Here's one. Can I use this one? See, that's the kind of bandage that you put on animals.
Any elephants in that ear?
No. Now we just need to show. We need another. Now we need to take another look at her other ear. Just to make sure. Her other ear looks okay. Her other ear looks okay, Mommy.
Awesome.
Wait, you need a stethoscope.
No, your seal is falling off the table.
I want to wear the white one.
Here, let's see if we can
Put it on.
make the color a little bit smaller. Let's go the other way. That way he doesn't chew on his owie, right? There.
Let me take a peek at it.
Yay!
Oh yeah, there you go. You're set now. You got the shirt and the coat.
Yes.
Dr. Mommy, we're ready. We need to get you a stethoscope.
You look very professional, if I might say, doctor.
I'm going to take a look at it. Here you go, Mommy.
Thank you.
Wait, you need a doctor's jacket.
No, they don't fit.
Put on your stethoscope.
No,
You need
they
a doctor's
don't fit. No.
Yes?
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes, 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 yes.
Have sage to it.
Yes.
No.
They
You should
don't
let another
fit.
kid wear one that doesn't have one.
It doesn't fit.
Here.
It's a big one.
It's for a kid.
If these are for kids, Maruka. Here, why don't you give it to that little girl?
Oh, yes. That's a good idea.
Okay. Now we
Good
can take care of the
job.
dog. You're